I found one of my local places to eat. So they cook it there for you. A lot of flies, but I think it's healthy. Hello. Wearing a mask. So you can get fruits. Yeah, so you see, they cook it all there. Oh, there's little girls there. Let's see, what are they doing? Ah, what is this? Hello. What are they doing? What are they doing? You don't know? What is it? Juice? You speak English? Ah, how come? So what, you making, your parents ask you to do this? Ah, so nice. This is the lunch boxes, and then they put, oh, thank you so much, thank you. They put like a little leaf there. Very nice. I think my food is being cooked there. It's my food there? There, yes? Oh, nice. Very nice. I didn't order the meat though. So she just brought the juices. These are the juices that the girls made. Vegetables. Looks good. Shrimp. There. And it's just being cooked over there. This one is my food. It's pad thai, yeah? Pad thai, shrimp pad thai. And then that one, vegetables. Vegetable, mine, yeah? Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So now they're cooking my vegetables.
เอาไฟขึ้นนะเจ๊เอาไฟขึ้นนะยังอีกยังอีกยังอีกยังอีกยังอีกยังอีกใกล้แล้วใกล้แล้วใกล้แล้วต้องให้น้ำนิดหน่อย
Oh, nice. Wow, very nice.
ไฟไม่ขึ้นเขาอุตส่าห์ถ่ายรูปเอาบุ้มบุ้มด้วยอ่ะติดหลังคา
Oh, can't wait to eat it. Yummy. So they give you a little sauce. This is my food, by the way, but I'm still waiting for vegetables. I just want some more vegetables. Yeah, that goes in. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's the mom. Boss. Big boss. Vegetables go in the bag like this. See, not in the lunch box. And then they give you chopsticks. Oh, I'll show you later when I'll eat it. Nice. Very nice.
แต่ตลกโอเคเรียบร้อยครับ
Perfecto. Thank you. Thank you.